Hey guys, welcome to another video here at STILIZ. I just want to say thank you so much for all the support. I really appreciate it, and I'm sorry for lagging so much. I know it's been over a month since I last posted, and I just want to say I'm sorry. I just genuinely have not had time to film. It's been a pretty busy month for me, and hopefully it starts slowing down for me. That way I can be more active on here, but I have been more active on Instagram. In case you guys aren't following me, make sure to follow me at STILIZ. I do post there more often, and I give you guys updates like the fact that I broke my lip again. I'm not sure if all of you guys saw, but I did break it a couple weeks ago, and I'm so sad. I was actually on the freeway and I ran something over. The car in front of me literally drove right past it, and I wasn't too far behind him, so I didn't have a chance to swerve or anything. And I ended up running over it, and it just broke my lip. It took it off. They were self-tapped, so it was easy for it to just fall off. But yeah, I'm sad. I'm actually super sad. My car looks weird without it. Maybe the universe just doesn't want me to have a lip, so I don't even know if I'm gonna get another one. I do want to, but maybe not yet. I'm not sure. I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. In other news, I do have an install for you guys today, and this part was actually sent to me by my friends at subieflow. Shout out to them. Make sure to use my code STILIZ for free shipping. I actually got this cool shirt from them recently. It's like an In-N-Out theme. I think it's super nice. I love In-N-Out, so when I saw this shirt, I was like, I need it. I am gonna be installing an interior part today. It's actually 2 interior parts today, and I'm excited because I only have a steering wheel so far, which I do love. So this is gonna complement it very well. So yeah, I'm excited for that, and I hope you guys enjoy this little install. Let me know what you guys think. All right guys, so these are the boots right here, and then I do have the shift knob. It's in the box. Let me show you guys which one I got. Oops, oh, it's so nice. This is the carbon fiber shift knob. It's actually the weighted one. It's super nice, and I'm super excited to throw it on. It's gonna look so good. I was gonna get the other one, but I really like this one because it reminds me of my OEM one, and I'm used to it. So yes, I do love it, and it's carbon fiber. It's gonna match my steering wheel, and it's gonna look so good in here. And then let me open up the boots so I can show you guys how they look. Alrighty, so these are the boots. This is the one for the E-Brake. The material is actually really nice. It's the Alcantara. It's super smooth. And then it has the red stitching, so it's gonna match all like the red accents in my car. So I'm excited. I believe that they do have different color stitching on their website. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this, you can go ahead and customize it on their website. And yeah, and then this is the other boot. Same thing, red stitching, and then the Alcantara feels really nice. So I'm excited to throw these on right now. I'm gonna try to position my camera in the best way possible, but the sun isn't my best friend right now. I'm super hot too. I'll try to record as best as I can. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the boot for the E-Brake. I think you're just supposed to pull this up and it should pop up. Let's see. There we go. And then once this comes off, you're just gonna pull it. Here we go. Okay, so now that this is off, you're gonna wanna go ahead and peel this boot off of this plastic here. We are gonna need this. We're gonna have to add some adhesive and then apply this one over it. I'm gonna go ahead and work on this, and then I'll be right back. All right. So this is the piece. Now we're just gonna go ahead and throw in some adhesive. It's gonna be pretty easy to see where you need to put it because it has like the leftover residue from the OEM one. Just be careful when you're adding the adhesive. I think that they have a special kind of adhesive for this, but honestly I didn't even purchase it or anything. I did see that you can use rubber cement, so I did pick some up at Target. It was only like $4. It's Elmer's, woo! So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this and then stick it onto the boot and then let it dry, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll put it back on. Alright, so I am all finished. I went ahead and attached it back here. It's on. Honestly, I wouldn't really recommend using this one. Maybe just not this brand. Maybe rubber cement is good, but not an Elmer's brand, just because it wasn't as tacky as I would want it to be. But it got the job done, but it did take me a while. So yeah, this is the e-brake boot. I went ahead and attached it. It looks really good. I was super careful not to get any glue on the outside. But yeah, it looks good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install the shift boot. Okay, so before we actually install the boot, I'm gonna go ahead and install the shifter boot. So now we do need to lift up this whole center console. So there is one screw here and then there's two back here. So go ahead and unscrew those and that should give us access to lift this portion up. Alright, so I went ahead and took out these two and then the one that goes in the front right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it up and then we'll see. I've never done this before, so. Oh wow. Oh wow, that was really easy. Wow, this is cool. It's so dirty back here. Alright, so I'm gonna make sure I keep everything in place. So now that this is lifted up, I have access to remove this part here. Pause, I need to take off my shift knob. So for the shift knob, just turn it and it should come out. This is the OEM shift knob. I have this one. I know there's that red one, but this is the one that came with my car. We just have to be careful. I do need to unplug a little STI light. So I'm gonna turn this over. So now that it's unplugged, now you have this whole center thing out. And we're gonna go ahead and flip it over. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and push in on these black tabs right here. There's a few all around, and then that should release it. Okay, so I went ahead and released the boot. So now we're gonna go ahead and replace it with the Alcantara one. This one's all dirty, it's pretty gross. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I did break one of the clips, so don't do that. Just be careful. I found it easier to do them kind of like all at the same time, so I kind of like held it and then pushed it in and then down, so that was helpful. I'll probably just do it right here in my car and I'll just set up the camera. Alright guys, so this is the OEM boot and here's the Alcantara one. I am so excited to put this on. You do just need to be careful when you're putting it on because it has its way of going just because it is angled, obviously. So just remember where it's facing, and then what helps a lot is this one big bracket right here. So just kind of line it up with your Alcantara one and just kind of remember where it goes, just so you don't forget. But it is actually pretty easy. You just literally pop these off. Next to the tabs, there's like a little clip right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's kind of dark. Right next to it, there's like these little holes. You're just gonna pull it and then it comes right off. So this one's fairly easy to do. It's just, it was more of a hassle to remove like the whole center console. Okay, so now we have the ring. I'm gonna grab the Alcantara one. There's already little holes that are pre-punched, so you just need to line it up. Okay, so now that everything is in its place down here, except for this one that I broke. Oops. Everything else looks good though. Looks super nice, so much better than the other one. Yeah, so much better quality. And then the stitching, oh my gosh, it's so nice. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and attach it back to this thing right here and then just put everything back together. So that was pretty easy, just to attach it back. Looks so good. I'll show you guys a close-up right now so you guys can see how nice it looks and how much better it looks. Now that it is in place, I'm gonna go ahead and get my carbon fiber knob and put it on. I'm so excited for this. I think this is my favorite part, just because it is carbon fiber and I've never switched out my shift knob, so this is it. It looks so good. I love it. Here is a close-up. I still haven't attached my center console, but oh my gosh, it looks so good. The knob and the Alcantara, it matches my steering wheel Alcantara and the carbon. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this back and then install the boot for the e-brake. So let me put my camera down, that way I can show you guys. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on the boot. So this one you're just gonna slide in, pass it through here. Alright, so once you got it passed through there, you are gonna wanna clip this back in. Just line it up, and it should clip in. Alright guys, so I am all finished. I think it looks so much better. It looks so nice. The material is amazing. And then look at this shift knob. The carbon. Alrighty guys, so this does conclude my video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. It was a little bit short and the lighting wasn't the best, but I'm sorry. I hope you guys still were able to see what I did, and I hope you guys still enjoyed this video. I am honestly in love with the parts. Thank you so much to STILIZ once again for sending these to me. If you guys are interested in purchasing them, go ahead and click the link down below. I have them listed. And don't forget to use my code STILIZ for free shipping. I do have a few more installs that I'm gonna go ahead and record hopefully this week. That way I have them up by next week, but we'll see. Thank you guys so much for following along my journey. It's crazy to me that it's about to be 2 years in January. Super happy and I'm blessed, and I'm just thank you guys. Well, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram already, make sure you guys do at STILIZ. I'm usually really active on there. I am always looking through my DMs, so go ahead and send me a message if you guys have a question, and I'll try to reply as soon as possible. I will see you guys on the next one.